Hi, my name's Justin Murray from the Murray team at Remax Bayside Properties, and welcome to 1Natasha Street, Wynnum West. This beautiful 3-bedroom cottage charm has completely been renovated and boasts a beautiful timber deck out the back that's ideal for entertaining. Let's go have a look.
Time is now, place is here to rest, feeling the holes of my soul. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now.
How beautiful is that? Don't forget you've got the side access for Dad's trailer and the kids' swimming pool to splash into summer. My name's Justin Murray and we look forward to seeing you at the next open.